dignitaries on the dais, I am happy to be here because the spinal desire of the Tibetan people is shared by 1 billion people here and many people outside India. And that is a great tribute to their commitment, direction, and hope. When we see these three great men, Lord Buddha, Gandhiji, and Dalai Lama, we can have an element of optimism that things will happen. They have stood all their life for a principled stand. And the 60th commemoration that you are having is a major milestone taking place in Kolkata. A reflection was made that something unfortunate happened to Tibet, and that may happen to this country. I do not share it in the least. No power exists on earth that can take on Bharat. We have never taken it as such. And the strength of Bharat is that it has entertained Dalai Lamaji with open arms. And wherever in India, Bharat, we see Tibetan people, we salute their commitment, we salute their work, we respect them, and I have no hope that ultimately they will attain their goal. We must never hope that something good can always be defeated by evil. It cannot be. We have seen recently, after the Second World War, Germany was divided. No one ever thought there will be reunification of Germany. It has taken place. India, that is Bharat, is now very different. We are having reinvention of what happened thousands of years ago. We are on way to becoming Vishwaguru. This is a country which has never ever taken aggression as a path of policy. But at the same time, and in the last couple of years, what you have seen, and I will assure the President in exile, India spinally is now several times stronger. India does not show its might. India shows only respect to the world. And I can assure everyone that the place every Tibetan has in our hearts, you only have to know when they go around, either in winter or otherwise, and the respect they evoke. Whenever a Tibetan person wants to make available an item, every Indian has two things in mind. It's genuine, it's cost-effective, it is with greatest of dignity, and that is the respect Tibetan people have. Historical background has been given by the Honorable President. I am greatly impressed by it, except that one observation he has been illuminating. Commitment is there. But imagine, Dalai Lamaji has a global respect. Dalai Lamaji has a global reputation. He has global following. I would urge all of you, in this entire rise, there is a small contribution of that part which is known as Bharat. This country does not compromise its principles under any pressure whatsoever. I have been a student of current affairs. I have seen there are countries, big powers in the world, who time a meeting of Dalai Lama with their head on account of contemporaneous situations. This country does not dictate its actions by such kind of expediency. We believe in our ethos, in our traditions that are spread unrivaled in the world for thousands of years. I am really very happy to be here. Trust me, there has been some mismanagement, Mr. President. I wanted to hear him more because what he was indicating on several aspects was news to me. I would welcome him for an interaction. I would have been happy to give a little more time. But since some engagements were lined up, therefore, I would not take that on me that I am getting away. I am on time, here for the time, and would be at your call any time you feel appropriate. You have on the dais people who can emanate ideas, emanate hope, who are knowledgeable. If I ever look at my very dear friend, Mr. Sapan Das Gupta, trust me, I have enough to take home every time. When you have such illustrious people here, I am sure your cause will be one step closer to the ultimate object. My best wishes to everyone here. And as and when there will be an occasion next time, in spite of seeing minute-to-minute program, I will add extra half an hour because I would love to share what is in your heart, what is in your mind for a way forward contribution in a small manner. I would conclude by saying, your number may be small. The richness of Tibet is well known. Honorable President has focused on 4 items. But the space that you occupy in the hearts of more than 1 billion people, trust me, is much more than your population. Every Indian knows Tibetan struggle, Tibetan pain, and has a respect for a Tibetan person. In my own family, my son-in-law goes to President's place every year and comes fully energized. So I know the impact it has on anyone who goes to that part of the country. I wish you well. Have hope. Have more hope. Have dependable hope. Because Bharat is on incremental trajectory, on the rise, on a principled stand. Thank you. Namaskar.